Hey, what is up, guys? My name is Kyogre. Today, I'm going to watching Teletubbies again, and okay, let's check it out. I became a primal again. So let's do this. So we do this. I get cursor down, son of a bitch. Back to normal. Now back to normal. Okay, I'm back to normal. Paprio, let's go. I became a white Kiran. Don't do it. Paprio, watching. Watch, 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 watch to end. Watch to...
This is my sister Blue. She comes on the boat with me. I go on the boat to school and I like it.
Son, what? I'm going to watch this. The bell is ringing. No! No, son! Don't do it! Don't fucking dare. Kyoko, I'll find with the sister, but anyway, but they sound like Trump wall. What did you say? Trump wall. No, Trump wall. No, wall. Wall crawler. I'm not say I don't say you rock crawler. Rock climber. What did you say? Rock climber. No, rock climber. You know the rock climber is a giant rock rock pillar. Rock pillar. Rock slide incoming! What did you say? Rock slide? Boom. Oh. Come on.
There are 7 children that come to school.
Calm down. It's just a rock. Fake rock salt. Rock salt. Okay. Rock slide.
That's my house. See his car.
Then I'm going to find the woolly mammoth.
We're heading
Woolly
to
mammoth
the
and
next island.
electrode. Yeah, that's
It goes
electrode.
quite fast.
Yeah, that's electrode. Kick this shit off me. Okay, woolly mammoth. Okay, I got a woolly mammoth. Go ahead, go find a fish and heavy mammoth, giant big mammoth. Did you trust the mammoth? No, woolly mammoth. It's big. That's the big guy I've ever seen. Don't call me big guy. No, woolly mammoth. Mammoth? Oh, mammoth. Okay, this is the giant woolly mammoth I've ever seen before. Not me. Okay. Uh, Kyogre, look behind you. What? Me? Not you. Not you, but you. Okay, son. Let's go.
I like school.
Okay, son. Let's go. Kyogre, what are you doing? Okay, take a picture with me. Okay. No. Ready. Ready. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3. Huh? Thanks for help, motherfucker. I think I'm kinda so good.